Hey everybody, Jake Bauer here again with Ruxer Ford. One of the other aspects on the Bronco that I get a lot of comments about is when I have the top off, I don't have any lockable storage. I have a little bit in the center console and the glove box, but not enough room to really put anything. Well, I found a solution for that. Diabolical Incorporated has made a secure enclosure of the trunk area of the Bronco. Now, this system puts a cover over the top of your back end of the Bronco. I'm not talking about the drawer slide here. I'm talking about this panel, the two winglet panels on each side, and there's a panel up underneath the seat, up against the back seat. Now, the neat part about this system is once you take the top off and you have this in, shut the tailgate, lock the truck, this is locked up. It is impossible to get into. I didn't have it latched there, but now it's fully secure. I want to get in or use this back panel. These two panels will come off. I'm not prepared to take them off at the moment, but I will show you how that works. If I can find, there it is. Find that. This panel flips up and will flip all the way down. I happen to have some hooks up here, so they're catching on it. I haven't taken the hooks off yet. But this panel will lay flat, or you can release these little pins and take the whole roof section out, or the top section out here. This back piece has a door that you can get into from the front, or the whole panel will lay down on top of the second row seats if you need to haul something long. Pretty slick setup, very easy to install. Took a couple hours on a weekend to put in, and it is powder coated to a beautiful finish. This section here has the optional teak deck if you got a boat. This is kind of that. You can actually get this in different colors. We did the color match to the outside of the Bronco on this particular one for the trim. You can put 150 pounds on top of this, and you have tie downs up here that are secure. It locks into place with a couple little swivel locks here. Now the top is completely down, it doesn't rattle. When I close the door, this is the other nice part, it's all the way up against the door. You're not getting in here unless you have the door unlocked. It's just physically impossible. Great little setup, it's not noisy. I'm making it make that noise. When I drive down the road, you don't hear this at all. It is fantastic. But this is available here at Ruxer Ford. It's a Diabolical, if you want to go to their website and check it out. Diabolical Incorporated. Great people there, and they build a really good product. If you have any questions, you can see me, Jake Bauer, here at Ruxer Ford, or one of our fine sales staff. My email address is jake@ruxer.com, 812-482-1200. Come on down and take a look.